Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel we talk about natural and relaxed hair care and I upload videos weekly. Many people follow the original rice water recipe and use orange peel to hide the horrible smell of the rice water. Others add essential oils like peppermint oils or lavender oil. And some are so sold on the benefits of rice water they don't even care about the smell. This is gonna make their hair grow, so what is a little smell? Do you have pimento seeds in your cupboard? Let's make some rice water with that, plus get some other benefits for your hair. First things first, wash this rice. I'm not using any filtered water or purified water, just water straight from the tap. Besides, I'm just going to be using pipe water to wash my hair anyways. Now this is why it's a good idea to wash the rice first and dispose of that water. There are little things floating around in it, so I'm going to wash it a second time and dispose of that water as well. So now that I rinsed this out already, I'm just going to put some more water in it, and I'm not measuring anything. I'm just putting it in this glass bottle that has a nice little lid. You can actually use plastic bottle if that's what you have. The reason I'm using glass is because sometimes the smell from the rice water can seep into the plastic and then the plastic bottle starts to smell weird. So if you use glass, it's less likely to have that effect. I'm just putting enough water to get this rice out of this container, and so that it can be enough to spray in my hair, and that's it. Next, I'm going to wash and put in my pimento seeds. Pimentos have a powerful scent which makes it great for masking unpleasant odors like rice water. Pimentos are used to make pimento oil, which is actually an essential oil. So it's fair to say that you have essential oil sitting in your cupboard all this time. Pimento seeds actually stimulate the hair follicles, which then removes the toxins that will stunt hair growth. Shampooing your hair after using rice water will not wash away the benefits of the rice water. They've already been locked into your strands. It's best then to use this rice water before you shampoo your hair. Just detangle your hair well, spray it on, and cover your hair with a plastic cap or a plastic bag. Leave it on for around 30 minutes to an hour. Remember, not for too long though. So now I'm just gonna put on the lid and leave it for a few hours in a warm spot. Even better, leave it overnight. So that's how we do it. If you like this video, show me your support and give me a like. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more hair care videos. Share this with someone who needs to hear this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!